Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on redeeming codes on Roblox Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you go on to the Roblox app, you will see that there is no option to redeem codes. To do so, you have to go to the Roblox website. Open up a web browser and go to roblox.com/promocodes. Now you need to sign in to your Roblox account by tapping login at the top. You may have to complete a captcha here to continue. When you have done that, scroll to the right of the page. Enter your promo code in the text box and then tap Redeem. If you entered a valid promo code, then you will see the message "Promo code successfully redeemed." Your redeemed item will now be in your inventory. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.